Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what I have. I have a Tonic craft kit. And you know, if you watch my videos, there hasn't been any all year long. Why? Because if you recall, I said I am going to be very careful with what I buy this year. And for the most part, I have been. And I've only bought things that I don't have anything like or I fell in love with, but I have to really like it. So as wonderful as the Tonic Craft Kits have been, there hasn't been any that have spoken to me this year. There's been a lot of like 3D, and I don't do 3D projects hardly ever. There's just been a lot of ones that look similar to other things that I have, and nobody's going to know the difference. You know what I'm saying? You know, we have to watch our money. I'm not supported by any company, so everything that I have, I've bought. So, yeah, so I'm excited about this one. And it's not in the normal range. And I think that's probably what I like or what I use. And I think that's why it attracted me to it. So without any hesitation, let us open this box up. It just so happens that this one came with a folder. You know, I think every 4 boxes come with a folder. So let me take everything out of this box. It's going to be so much easier to go through if we do. There's quite a few goodies in here in this box. So it has been, like I said, I think it was January, it might have been the last box that I purchased, the last kit. So let's get right to the actual kit part. And it is called A Walk on the Wild Side. Let me move everything over. Everything's lumpy here, so let's move it all over. All right, so it's called A Walk on the Wild Side, and it makes the cutest little baby animals. I know. Baby animals, Mary, really? But look at how cute they are. Look at the little koala bear. Look at the little panda. I mean, come on. You can't say no to baby animals. You can't say no to pandas. Look. Little sloth. Little turtle. And a little frog. I mean, come on. So, it's got the big dies. And I'm not talking just, you know, cards for kids. But I think it would be cute for scrapbooks. If you're scrapbooking, I think it'll be cute even for adults. Certainly my seniors that I send to will love them. So, and they're pretty big. Look. The frog here is 2 3/4. The sloth is about the same, and the little baby turtle, yeah, they're all about the same. So there's a little lily pad, a little tree, little bamboo, and then on this side, look, there's an alligator and the panda and the koala bear. Some flowers, lily pads, so cute. So cute. And then it comes with a stamp set. And the stamp set has the "You're the cutest, oh snap, shallow." Shallow? Is that cute or what? I need a hug. Let's go wild. See you, Gator. See you, Gator. It's your birthday. Let's hang out. It's got a little animal plaid. Trying to see if they used. So this is tree bark on the tree here. And this, I think, is just, it really doesn't go with any of the animals. It's just like for a background and stuff. So cute. All right, so let's put that away. I'll walk on the wild side. So cute. All right, so that is that. And then the Tonic binder. And then it has Autumn Woodland pins, and these are their watercolor brush tip pins in fall colors. And pearlescent paper in gold, ivory, white, and black. And it's just plain pearlescence to use. And then cardstock. Now I noticed, and like I said, I haven't gotten anything from them since the first of the year, but in this set, everything is just cardstock. You know, the last kits used to have the cardstock and then some specialty paper and maybe a sheet of glitter. This is all regular cardstock. But it is really nice colors, and it'll make the animals, the little baby animals, perfect. So there's 9 sheets of cardstock. And then let's take a look at a little goodie bag. It always has some Nouveau products in there. All right, so there's a glitter marker, lemon drizzle. That's pretty. That will be pretty. A medium brush, watercolor brush. I would show you the tip if I could get the top off. Nope, that's not happening. All right, well, Aquaflow. Aquaflow is not coming apart. Okay, let me bring the big guns in. Hold that thought. This is so very weird that it doesn't want to, maybe if I hold it there. Nope, okay. Trust me, there's a tip on there. I'll have to get my son to work on that for me. And what else is in here? Let's open this up. This is very green. It's like apple green. Well, it does look apple green, doesn't it? Crystal Drops Apple Green. And it's just the regular, it's the gloss drops. So, all right, so that's it. I am pretty excited about these little cute little animals. I don't have very many things that have animals, but I like this one. It's very cute. And I believe I'm going to make the koala first because that little koala is just too cute for words. Too cute for words. The frog is kind of cute too. All right, so that's it. A walk on the wild side. First Tonic craft kit I've had all year long, and it's a good one, I think. Let me know in comments what you think. Do you think it's as cute as I think it is? Or are you sitting there going, I don't know, I should pick that one. That's a weird one. You know, everybody has their own, you know, things. So, yeah, so let me know in comments whether you've been getting the craft kits, which one's been your favorite, and if you've got this one. Also, let me know if you belong to any other kits. I had a subscription to the Spellbinders for about 6 months, and then I canceled that one. The thing about the Tonic that I like is that you don't have to cancel it. You can just go in and say, I don't want this one this time. And so you don't have to cancel and then sign up again if you like something. So it makes it so much easier. So for that, I really appreciate them. So, all right, so that's it. I don't even know what number this is. Do they? Oh, 72. They do still number them. Craft kit number 72. That's it. So, if you have not subscribed yet, and you would like to, you can hit that subscribe button. And then if you want notifications from when there's a new video, you can hit that notification bell. There's also a like button, which would be wonderful if you see any videos on anybody's channels, especially the little ones like me. The like button really helps our channels. If you like the video, let them know by hitting that button. And then there's a share button that you can share with your friends. So so that's it for today. Let me know in comments what you think. Until the next one, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching.